This is an Inkle Loom. The thread is wound around the frame of the Inkle Loom. The holes are for adjusting the length of your piece. I wound the yarn around the whole frame, but if I wanted to make it longer, I would have gone around this peg or moved the peg over to make the piece even longer. This is where you adjust the tension. After loosening the knob, you can push the wood back and forth, making the tension higher or more loose. These are the heddles. They hold every other thread stationary. The other threads go up and down, and that's how you weave over and under. And here is the shed. All looms that have heddles create a shed. The shed is where you pass the weft yarn back and forth through your weaving. Weaving on an Inkle loom is called warp-faced weaving. The yarn wound onto the loom is called the warp, and the ends are so close together they don't let the weft thread that goes back and forth show. The weft only shows on the edges. I've wound the weft thread around a shuttle, and as I pass the shuttle through the shed is held in place by a shed stick, which is actually another shuttle. So there you have it, Inkle weaving. If you'd like to learn more about weaving, subscribe to my channel and check out my website, The Creativity Patch. There's lots more to learn there, and I've got fun weaving kits too. Happy weaving!